Hello guys again, good to be with you. Again, Polina is with me for the fourth, fifth time, I don't even know. My wife, do I have to tell you one more time? No, she went to put makeup, so she's gonna be back soon. She's actually on the way home, okay? So what we're gonna cook today is shawarma. One of my favorite thing to eat. And every time when I cook shawarma, I always say to my wife and to my kids, I swear to you, my shawarma tastes better than a store shawarma, okay? So I highly recommend for you to try it at home. Let's go start it, and you see how I'm doing step by step, and maybe you're gonna try it at home. I'm gonna start doing my shawarma. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna do eggplant salad. Okay, I'm gonna fry a little bit eggplant. Israeli salad I'm gonna do tahini. I'm gonna show you how to do this thing. Maybe some of you already do it. It's the most tastiest tahini ever. Okay, then I do a little bit French fries on the side. Not too much stuff because the main event is the shawarma itself. And then I have over here pita, nice pita. My wife likes it in the baby wrap, so I'm going to put it in the baby wrap also. And I have over here laffa, for some of you who like laffa, okay? And also I have a baby pita for babies, okay? So we're going to see if we're going to use all of that. So let's start. I'm going to start cutting the eggplant first. Start making the salad for the eggplant, making the French fries, making the Israeli salad. And I'm going to cook this thing the last because everything takes very quick, so I don't want it to be cold, okay? So I'm gonna start working on all of this first. Eggplant happened to be one of my favorite things to put inside the shawarma. So I'm just gonna cut them, see, approximately this way, make squares, and then fry them. Just for you to get an idea. Not too small of this because they shrink. Let's go start frying the eggplant. Now all those salads in the shawarma are gonna be cold. It's okay to use them cold. The only thing you have to make sure that the shawarma itself is hot. Okay, so let's go and start frying this thing. I'm just gonna spray the pan a little bit with all my eggplant. I didn't want to put olive oil inside. I don't want it to be too oily. And then kosher salt. Okay. I'm gonna chop a little parsley on top of the fresh salad. Not too much, a little bit. Okay, I have 2 salads ready. Let's go for the third one. It's gonna be fresh red onion and sweet onion for people who like to put inside the shawarma. I like it. Okay, we're just gonna slice it thin. Okay, now that I cut the both onion, mix them up. Okay, and pour them over here. That's gonna be for onion lovers. Whoever wants to put inside the pita. Okay, now hummus. All what I did, I put hummus. I put a little bit olive oil on top, and I put paprika. Okay, so that's gonna be hummus to put inside the pita. Now I'm gonna start working on the tahini. Now I'm gonna do the tahini. Look at this company. You have to try this thing at home. This is amazing. I'm gonna show you how I'm doing this thing. This is gonna taste so good. It beats all the ready ones that you buy a ready one in the store. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I'm doing this thing. First, what you gotta do, you gotta mix it. Give it a nice mix. It depends how much you wanna do. So the amount I'm gonna put is like this. Look, approximately this much, because it's only gonna be for us to put inside the shawarma. And then what you do is that you add water. Thinner you add more water. If you wanna make it thicker, don't add too much water. Now that I add the water, what I do is take garlic, 3 of them, put inside. This is such a delicious tahini. It's amazing. Now I'm gonna put a drop of lemon, and we're gonna mix it right now, and then see if I need more, I'll add more. And if it becomes too thin right now and I want it thicker, I'm just gonna add a little bit more tahini inside. If it's too thick, I can add water inside. The tahini is ready. I'm gonna taste it right now. I mixed it. Delicious. You should try this at home. I swear, it's one of the most delicious tahini you're ever gonna eat. Okay, so let's go again over all the salads. I made tahini, hummus. I just had to add the olive oil and the paprika on it, fresh onion, 2 different red onion and sweet onion, Israeli salad over here, and eggplant, fried eggplant. So now that we did all of that, we're gonna start working on the French fries. We're gonna do French fries, and while the French fries is cooking, I'm gonna start preparing my shawarma. So now I'm gonna prepare a little bit of French fries. Some people like it with the French fries inside the shawarma. I also like it, so we're gonna do a little bit of French fries. On the French fries, I'm gonna cut them lengthwise. See, just like this, long. Okay, the fries are cut. We're gonna salt them, put pepper on them, and then go fry them. Pour in a little bit salt, a little bit by eye. That should be good. A little bit of black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and paprika. That's it. Mix them, and we'll go fry them right now. That's for the French fries. Okay guys, now I want to put the French fries. Flour real first. Inside. And so let's go work on shawarma itself. So over here I have chicken drumstick. I already took it out of the bone. I have over here like maybe 16, 17 pieces. And then we're just gonna cut, and you do the amount that it's whatever, you know, the amount of the people that you have. So let's start cutting them. I think I'm gonna do around 8, 9 pieces. So the way you cut them is just like this, thin. See, just like that, lengthwise. I chopped the chicken drumstick. Now let's go and cook this thing. My French fries is ready. We're gonna have a shawarma party today. I swear, you don't have such a good shawarma in the store, you're not gonna find such a delicious shawarma the way I'm cooking right now. You gotta taste this thing. All homemade, fresh, a little olive oil. And now we're gonna add our chicken, our shawarma. And cook it a little bit first before we're gonna add the ingredients. Now I'm gonna put the ingredients. Salt, approximately this much. Black pepper. Paprika. And now is the big thing, is the shawarma mix. This thing, it's amazing. Everything's mixed, all the mixture is already in there. So, oh wow, it smells amazing. Now you gotta put this. See? Don't be scared, you can put it. See how much I'm putting it?
Man, it smells so good.
Perfect, smells amazing. Now you mix all of that. Guys, when I do this shawarma, I swear to you, my shawarma tastes better than the store shawarma, I can assure you. Now, a lot of people put a little bit of lamb fat. Okay, so I want to do with lamb fat, but my daughter Paulina doesn't want the lamb fat, so we decided to do with olive oil. The lamb fat is, I want to put a little bit just to have that little hint of lamb inside, but we decided not to do it. Look at the nice color on it. Now you gotta let it cook. Looking good, smells amazing. All our salad is ready. The tahini, hummus, french fries, Israeli salad. It's looking good. A little bit more. So let's go right now and warm the pitas. Even though they're very, very fresh, I'm gonna warm the pita and the tacos. I'm gonna warm a couple pitas. And tacos. And that's where we're gonna put our shawarma. Hey, guess who's back? My wife.
Guess who's back?
Look. You know what I find very surprising? She always comes 10-15 minutes before the food is ready. I wonder what's going on. What's going on?
You got married to a smart woman, didn't you?
Okay, so guys, almost everything is ready. We're gonna start putting them in the pita, in the tacos.
You're gonna have shawarma tacos?
Shawarma
My
tacos.
favorite.
Yeah. Looking good.
Looking very good.
My shawarma is ready. Look how beautiful this thing looks. I swear you gotta try this thing at home. You've never eaten such a delicious shawarma. Trust me when I tell you. Shawarma is ready. Now we're gonna put it inside the pita. It smells amazing. And it tastes amazing also. So let's start putting it in the pita. First I'm gonna prepare my own sandwich. Okay, what I like, a little bit of hummus inside. And shawarma.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we shall see you next video.
Take care,
Bye.
guys. Stay safe.